Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. We are doing a Sunday reset, so I am getting things put together and ready to go so we get into a fresh Monday. First, I started off with putting a load of laundry in and rotating the other laundry out. We are going into the week with no laundry from this previous week. I've started a load in the dishwasher and we're just getting the kitchen wiped down and cleaned up. I feel like throughout the weekend it just kind of gets a little cluttered. The kids are crafting, they are snacking all day long. So I'd like to just go ahead and get this tidied up for today, and then we'll go into the week nice and fresh with the kitchen as well. They are outside playing right now, and they will be out there all day enjoying the beautiful sunshine, and then we will actually be having dinner on the back porch this evening. I will be sharing with you all at the end of the video a super delicious one-pot homemade cheesy hamburger helper. It is so good. Right here in this moment, I had to pause just for a second because my oldest daughter wanted me to come over to the front door and she handed me those flowers. I'm telling you, this is my favorite time of the year when the kids are just constantly picking me flowers. I think it's the sweetest thing that they stopped for that moment and thought of me or whoever they end up giving a flower to. It is such a special moment. I stepped outside to get some fresh air. It is a gorgeous day. Izzy. We actually had to cut the heat on last night. Or no, this morning. We cut the heat on this morning. It was like 62 degrees in the house. We haven't had the heat on for like 2 weeks. We actually had to cut the AC on a couple times. Rusty, say hi. Say, all I want to do is play ball all day long, all day. I'm just doing a quick declutter and wipe down in the master bathroom and wiping down the toilets. I did a quick wipe down in the hallway bath. It gets kind of scary in there from all the kids. And then I am just going to go ahead and get this rug vacuumed and the floors swept up. I'm going to go ahead and change out my Scentsy melts for the week. I made a promise to myself that I would not buy any more Scentsy bars until I got through the ones that I have. So I am working my way through those. I am doing good. I'm wrapping up my last load of laundry for the day. I am super excited. Me and the laundry get into fights all the time. I really struggled at a point in time and I could not get through the laundry. It just seemed like it was never ending. So I always make sure all laundry is done throughout the weekend, and then as soon as Monday comes, a load a day keeps the laundry away. So every evening with a family of 5, I have a whole load of laundry that I put in and rotate out through the next morning. I decided to do a little pantry clean out, and look who caught me. We are finally getting started on dinner. I am going to start by grounding up a pound of ground beef, and then I'm going to cut up an onion and add that in with the ground beef and cook that down. I'm going to add the exact recipe in the description box below. I did omit the Worcestershire and tomato sauce or tomato paste that it called for because I did not have it, and it turned out completely fine. I'm also adding in some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper, and I am just measuring with my heart. The key to make this really good and creamy and cheesy is to shred your own cheddar cheese instead of using the packaged. And then we're going to add in some elbow macaroni and beef broth into the pot. And like I said, their exact measurements are down below. While that's coming to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and open the windows up a little bit just to get some airflow through here. It is a little humid in the house, but it's a nice cool breeze outside, so I just want some fresh air. We're going to add in our cheddar cheese, stir that up really, really good, and then we're going to come in and add in our heavy cream and sour cream into the pot. We're going to stir that up, and then it is yummy deliciousness ready to go. Super, super easy, one pot dinner and so delicious. The whole family will love it. We're going to pair this with just some plain white buttered bread. It's one of my favorite things to eat with hamburger helper. And then we are going to go enjoy dinner as a family. And then I will come back, clean up the kitchen, and this will wrap up my day.